Yeah, me and Lucy broke up again, and it sucks, and, you know, I'm not real happy about it, but it's one of those things, I guess. Hopefully she'll come around. Bubbles, get off my property.
Go fuck yourself, Rick.
And hopefully she'll take me back, you know. Until then, I'm perfectly happy living right here in this car, and hopefully she'll come around soon, I guess. Bubbles, freak off and get off my property.
You fucking want one? I want my kitty.
Frig off, Bubbles, you gave me the cat.
I didn't say you could keep him, and I don't want him living in a fucking car.
Bubbles, you've got tons of cats, let me keep him.
He was a loner. I loaned him to you.
Well, I need him. Look at my weed plants, one of them's dead.
I don't give a flying fuck. I didn't never said you could keep him.
What the hell are you doing waking me up so
No
early?
cat of mine's gonna live in a car. Julian?
Both of you guys, shut up!
Ricky won't give me my kitty.
Ricky, give him his cat!
It's my cat now.
I don't care. Give him his cat!
Look, see that? You know why that plant's dead? Because a squirrel peed in it. That's why I need the cat. It protects my weed plants. I got 4 plants left, guys. That's all I got left in my life. Please, let me have one cat to protect my plants.
Here's what I know, Ricky. If you love something, let it go. If it comes back to you, you own it. If it doesn't, you don't own it. And if it doesn't, you're an asshole. Just like you.
Give me that cat.
Stay in the car!
Give me the cat.
Bubbles, take your cat! Get out of here! Ricky, you stay in the car!
Let me out of this car right now.
Ricky, calm down!
Fucking let me out of here. I want that cat back. I need him. You know, ever since you guys have been around with your TV cameras, Julian's changed. You know, he's getting all frustrated and he's taking his problems out on me and other people in the park. It's crazy. He lives in there in a palace and he's all stressed out. I live out here in a car and I've got everything I need and I'm happy. I mean, this is my home. So I don't know what his problem is. What are you doing?
I'm getting a soil sample to test for oil contamination.
Get the fuck off my property. Off my property.
Hey, Ricky, do you want me to ask my friends down at the police station if it's okay for you to be drunk in a public place and carrying a loaded handgun while you're on probation?
Why don't you start doing your job instead of making false incriminations all the time?
Why don't you get a life, Rick? Why don't you go to community college like Julian here? Hey, I got a good idea. You could teach living in a car and growing dope 101.
And you could teach how to get drunk, get fired from the police force, become a lousy trailer park supervisor that sucks, hangs around with a fucking idiot, doesn't wear a shirt and looks like a dick, thinks he looks good, 101.
Get the car off the property or I'm going to order a really expensive soil contamination test. You got that?
Leahy, get off my lawn.
You guys got nothing better to do? You fucking idiots.
What do you want?
You still plan to leave the park?
Yep. You guys want a drink? I'm just pouring some drinks here if you want one.
Couple things I think you should know about before you do.
What's that, Leahy?
Well, first, you got a 24-month lease signed up with Sunnyvale Trailer Park. Number 2, you got a derelict piece of shit out front that's leaking oil all over the grass and it's going to require an environmental soil test, which you're liable for. Number 3, you owe me $1,600 for outstanding site fees for when you were in jail. Number 4, you try to leave
listen,
here.
Number 1, you can fuck off. Number 2, you can fuck
Watch
off.
your language,
Thank you
Ricky.
very much, Rick. You're just a one-note pony, aren't you? Why don't you mind your business? I'll tell the cops you're breaching probation. Every time you turn around, you put your fucking foot in your mouth. You guys, we had 18 months here, a piece in this trailer park. You're back here for a day, and what do we got? Bullshit.
Whose fault is that?
It's your fault. You're not leaving here without that guy. I'd love to see you leave this park, but you're not leaving here without that guy.
Look, I know you're stressed out, but don't worry about it, because here's what's going to happen. We're going to get drunk and eat chicken fingers. Me, you, and the old man's going to be here in about 20 minutes.
Ricky, life isn't about getting drunk and eating chicken fingers all the time, all right? Leahy's right.
Leahy's right?
Why don't you try doing something with your life for once instead of living in this car like a drunken idiot, eating chicken fingers, getting drunk?
You think you're so smart because of your dumb book learning, Julian. Well, you're not that smart. I know what's going on. You're just showing off on friggin' TV again. Hey, look at me. I'm Julian, the big smart guy.
Don't lecture me, Ricky.
Don't what?
You don't know what lecture means, do you?
I know what lecture means. Do you?
What does it mean then?
It means that,
It means, what?
you get in the situation and...
What situation?
You know I didn't get my grade 10, you asshole. That's a low blow, Julian. You know what? Fuck you and fuck your car. What are you doing, Julian? The chicken fingers aren't even cooked. Let's get sarsaparilla or something, you dick. Julian, I'm trying to cook some lunch here for me.
Get out
and
of my
dad.
way.
Julian?
Get off my property, Ray.
What? Wait, no, wait. Hey, what?
Easy, man.
No, forget it, Ricky. If he doesn't want me here, I'm going, man. I'm not wanted here.
It's my property.
Nah, forget it. Come on down to my house. I got lots of chicken fingers down there, man.
This is my car, this is my property, and this is my toaster. I want you out of here.
I can't believe you just did that. Those are the good kind. $8.
I'm not joking, Ricky.
Yeah, well, you forgot about something. You gave me 1 week's notice, so this is my property for the next week, not yours.
I don't care, Ricky. Off my property. This is my property.
You're being a dick. You can go to college and get your little PFD or whatever the fuck it's called. I don't care. You know what? You're no better than me.
Ricky, wake up. Come on, man. It's me. Rick. Rick.
What the fuck are you doing here, man? Oh, you got the fucking camera with you, you dick.
Listen, Rick. We've been friends our whole lives, man. This is ridiculous. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, Julian, that's a problem. You know, understanding things is one of the things I have trouble with.
Yep. This is gonna work out fine.
Just stay calm, Julian. I'll take care of it. Just don't say anything. How's it going, guys? Filming a little documentary here for the Life Network. It's kind of like Cops, but from the criminal's point of view.
Put that down.
Guys, this is a
Put that
$700
down.
exhaust system.
Put it down.
Easy there, Magnum
Now.
PI.
You get against the tailgate right now. What's your name?
My name's Corey.
Sir? Your name?
That's Trevor.
He can tell me that.
Turn around, Trevor. You see your hands slowly.
We got a call about some fellows out here stealing car parts.
Yeah, we're the ones that called you guys.
Got open liquor here.
No.
Call it in,
That's
Frank.
Chachi, look. You know.
Next message.
Hey Julian, it's Ricky. Look, I just wanted to call and thank you for that car again, man. Because of you, me and Lucy are back in love again, and that's fucking awesome. And the other thing I want to talk to you about is this community college bullshit. I'm just kind of hoping you're not going to leave to go do your book learning and stuff, because we need you here, buddy. So listen, I'm planning on getting drunk tonight, really, really drunk, and I'm probably going to go buy some more chicken fingers, so if you want to hook up, I'd love to get drunk with you. Give me a call. Lucy said I can go out tonight.
Give me your smokes, Gordon. Give me your freaking smokes. Give me $15, man. Come on, I know you got some smokes here somewhere.
Okay, Ricky. Let him up. Ricky, come on, off. Get off here, man. Let go of his foot.
Give me your smokes.
Let him go, Ricky. Get out of here.
Ricky, you frig off,
Randy,
Ricky.
back off.
You frig
back
off.
off. Stay clear. What's it like in jail, hey, buddy?
Where's Julian, Ricky?
Where you staying, Rick?
What the fuck off hotel, Leahy?
I have some respect here. Mr. Leahy's the park supervisor.
What are you, his new assistant?
Yes, I am.
Well, that's pretty fucked up.
You're out of jail, you got no place to live?
I got plenty of places to live. I could stay at any one of these trailers, because people here like me.
Yeah.
Not like you dicks. All right?
Things have changed, Rick.
Things have changed, have they?
Yeah, you're gonna have to keep your nose clean, Ricky.
Smokes. Let's go. Give me some smokes.
I've only got 2 left, I'm not giving you any.
You're a fucking dick. Leahy, you can go fuck yourself, okay? Stay out of my business.
Friggin' jerk, man. Ricky's back. Ricky and Julian? Well, for the most part, they're responsible for ruining this trailer park. Used to be peaceful and quiet here. You know, what gets me most is all the young kids look up to him. I mean, I got kids flying around here, throwing bottles at people, growing dope, squealing tires, jumping motorcycles over trailers, the list goes on. And I've been park supervisor here for going on 16 years. I've seen it all. But those two, particularly Ricky, they're the worst.
Cyrus ain't from the park, you know what I mean? Around here, it's all for all and one for one.
That's right. Yeah. Motherfuckers who ain't from the park, they don't understand the way shit goes down, like the J to the ROC and like Tyrone does, my man here, you know what I'm saying? When you're from the park, it's all for one motherfucker and one motherfucker for all motherfuckers everywhere, you know what I'm saying? But if you come from outside the park, you better watch out, because you got a whole bunch of park hustlers on your job
that stick together too.
I hear you're Ricky, Julian's little jail buddy.
Well, what are you filming? More episodes of Happy Days there, Fonzie?
Listen, just give me your fucking smokes.
Look, buddy, I just got out of jail, all right? I don't want any trouble. Put the gun away. I mean, you're on camera with a fucking gun out.
I don't give a fuck about the camera crew, okay? Just give me your fucking smokes, I'll put a bullet right through your goddamn rib cage.
For fuck's sakes. I got 4 packs of smokes, alright? You can have 2 of them, alright?
These fucking things.
You're gonna shoot me over 2 packs of smokes, and go ahead, shoot me.
Oh, it's your lucky fucking day then, isn't it, jail boy? Tell your friend Julian to get the fuck out of the trailer park or left Cyrus, and you know what to deal with. Fuck off somewhere, I got work to do.
Why are you guys taping in here? Don't worry about the camera, alright? A friend of mine's doing a documentary, don't worry about it. Alright. Look, I need some stuff, and I could rob you or you could just give it to me. It's up to yourself. So.
You're Ricky, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You get whatever you want. I don't care.
Right on. Give me 4 packs of smokes, and I'm gonna take these flowers here, I guess.
How much smoke's there?
I was here first there, bud.
What's that camera doing here?
None of your fucking business, actually.
Obviously you don't know who the fuck I am.
Obviously
His name is Cyrus. Cyrus, and I don't give a fuck who you are.
Better chill out there, heavy metal dick.
Yeah, well, you go back to the bowling alley you came from, helmet
Fucking
head.
lucky I'm on probation.
Is that right? Yeah. See ya. That's it, bye-bye.
That'll be... Wait, Cyrus, you didn't pay.
Fuck off.
Welcome back, boy.
What's going on, man?
Not much, you know what I'm saying?
What's going on, man?
You're doing alright, it's all good.
So how things going? What's wrong?
Me and T got some bad news, G.
Yeah, Cyrus, man.
He all up in this park, controlling all the liquor, selling all the dope. You know what I'm saying? Got a gun running around, acting hard with everybody.
Not the king of the park anymore.
Boys, listen up, all right? I'm out of jail now. This is my trailer. This is my home. I'm not worried about Cyrus, all right? Don't worry about it. Come on.
You know, I ordinarily don't like to do this, but I gotta call the cops. There's a potential shootout going to be happening in the trailer park tonight, and I'm gonna call in the heavies.
You know, that's really unfair, Mr. Leahy. Julian's on probation. He could go back to jail for a really long time.
Yeah, Julian's on probation. Cyrus isn't. Cyrus will kill me. You got any better ideas? If not, put your shirt on and shut up.
What's this I hear about you calling the cops, huh? What's this I hear about you calling the cops?
It's cool. Well, listen, there's people living around here. Just take it easy, will you, Cyrus?
I'll fucking make the decisions around here. You got that, old man?
Just back off, Cyrus.
Take your hands off me, Sasquatch. Now listen to me, old man. You call the cops, and I'll make an example of you. You understand me?
What's that supposed to mean, Cyrus?
Bang. Well, I gotta spell it for you. Now say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
I moved into his trailer. Nice little spot. The way I see it, this fucking Julian guy, he lost his privileges when he went off to Con College, you see? I'm the guy that owns the trailer now. I'm running the trailer park. And if that big tough fucking guy comes running around here throwing his little bit of weight around, well, that fuck off. See this? All right? Old man gave me that when I was in grade 7. Seen a lot of action. 9mm. Safety always off. Told me he was proud of me once.
Me and Julian could definitely take care of the Cyrus thing. It's just that, number one, we're on probation, which is no big deal, but, you know, I don't really want to go back to jail. And number 2 or 3 or whatever number we're on, I'm not going back to jail for Julian because I don't even hang around with him anymore.
We gotta make a few things clear.
Sure.
2 of us can't live in this trailer park together, now can we?
Right, so I guess someone's got to move.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, that's my shit! Hey, that's my shit! That's my shit!
It's friggin' littered right in the park, for God's sakes.
You son of a bitch.
What an asshole.
God damn, cigarettes, everything.
See, they're just looking, they're trying to get us going, eh?
You know what recidivism is, Randy?
I don't have a clue, Mr. Leahy.
That's when people go back to jail over and over and over. I think we got a couple of A1 class act recidivists up there. Look at them.
What's this for?
$7 an hour. You're looking after Sparky for an hour.
I can't look after the dog right now. I gotta babysit Trinity and make weed brownies.
I don't care. You're looking after Sparky, all right?
Julian, I can't. Not today. Why can't you look after him?
Because I gotta go to the Department of Motor Vehicles, all right?
Well, take the little asshole with you.
I'm not taking him with me. You know what those idiots are like? I could be in there for 15 minutes. I could be in there for an hour.
Julian, I can't. Not today, man. I got customers showing up in 2 hours for weed
I don't
brownies,
care. I'm
all right?
not leaving the dog in the truck, Ricky. You're looking after the dog. Guys,
fuck.
Can you follow him for the next hour and film everything he does?
No. You're not leaving these dicks and the dog with me for the next hour.
You're looking after the dog, Ricky. That's all.
You're paying me $7 to watch a dog
Enough.
and these dicks?
Enough. You're looking after the dog. I'm in charge here, all right?
This is bullshit, man. Fuck. Lucy, it's pretty effed up if you can't leave our daughter with my father for half an hour.
Well, it's pretty effed up. The last time Ray took care of Trinity, she came home all effed up.
She had a few effing drinks.
Get that.
Julian, I told you, stop filming Lucy. Lucy, come back here. I want a kiss, please. Sam's got this thing. It's like a calculator, but he can send information supposedly all over the world. I don't know if he's full of shit or what, but...
Ricky, it's the internet. Computers, the internet. What's this?
What in the fuck is this shit?
Put the dope in the...
What the fuck's his problem? What
Put it in
is
the glove-
this shit?
Put it in the glove box, Ricky.
Don't... What's your problem, you asshole? What's this? What the hell's going on here?
What's in the glass, Julian?
A drink, why?
What's that smell? Smells like weed to me. Put your hands against the hood, I'm searching the truck.
You put your hands against the hood and fuck off. What are you writing there, shit rock?
You think you're smarter than me, don't you, Ricky? Well, you're not. The old shit liner's coming to port. I'll be there to tie her up.
What the fuck's that supposed to mean?
Leahy, open the gate, okay? I'm not in the mood for your cop wannabe shit. Please. I've had a long day.
Well, I've had a long day too there, Julian. Trying to make this trailer park a safe, nice place to live, a place we can all be proud of. And that will happen just as soon as you idiots are back in jail, especially you, Ricky.
Hey, Leahy, knock, knock.
Who's there, Rick?
Mr. Stupidity Head that's fucking pissing me off right now thinks he's the captain of the shit liner, and by the way, your fish sticks suck, so fuck off. Open the gate.
That's real smart, Ricky.
Everything is fucking cool here. Go back to the truck. You guys get the fuck out of here. I told you you're gonna fuck this up. Put your fucking gun away.
Stop your swearing. You're coming off as an asshole on TV,
I'm sorry, your little TV show here. I'm trying to buy some fucking weed. Go back to the truck.
Said you're making some weed brownies. Think we can get some?
What the fuck do you guys want? I got
We wanna
nothing
get some
ready.
weed brownies.
Smokes. Let's go.
Just rolled them.
Give a couple to her too. I got nothing ready right now, guys. Let's go. Get out. Get out.
Well, when can we come back and get some?
Come back later. Get out. Let's go.
What time, Ricky?
It's 6 o'clock. Are you guys stupid or what? What do you
Relax,
want?
Ricky. Relax, Ricky.
What do you want? What's going on? Nothing. Fuck! Ah, fuck! What in the fuck? Get in the truck!
Ricky!
Fucking shot!
Ricky! Get in the truck! Ricky, get in the truck!
For the love of fuck!
Get in the truck!
Shot in the ass by Trevor and Corey. They ran over there. Go get them.
Not paying your drug debts again, eh, Ricky?
He'd fuck off.
Open liquor, Ray.
He's on his own property. Get
Randy,
the fuck out of here.
We got a 1035 here. I'm gonna have to 1093 immediately.
I don't care. I'm bleeding to death here. You don't seem to understand that. Look at my
I don't
ass.
care about your ass, Ricky! I gotta call Levi.
Levi, fuck Levi. I need medical attention.
Listen, Ricky, if that dog dies, I swear to God, I'll let you bleed to death, alright?
I don't give a fuck about the dog.
Shut up!
What's more important, me or a dog?
Shut up!
What's more important?
Shut up!
I'm fucking bleeding to death here.
Break in.
Why do I have to break in?
Because it's all your fault and I'm in charge. Hurry up.
It's your fault. You gave me the dog.
Hurry
you
up.
idiot. Jesus Christ. Who the fuck puts an alarm system in a barn? Fucking idiots. Hey, retard, can you hear me?
What's going on here? Ricky! Let him go, Ricky! Let him go! What's happening?
Your little partner's been snooping through my car. I'm pissed off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I just came to check a noise complaint, Mr. Leahy, and he's growing marijuana in his car.
No, you stay the fuck out of there.
Is that true, Ricky? Is that true?
Oh, so you don't smoke dope anymore? You haven't bought dope with me for 10 fucking years, Leahy?
Ricky, there's a lot of guys growing dope here in the park. But you're the only one that's growing dope in his car. And guess what that makes you, Ricky?
What?
A loser.
Yeah.
Come on, Randy. Let's go deal with something important like kids breaking bottles in the playground.
Ricky, guys, come on! Randy, you shut up!
You all calm, get up! Here, Randy, get in the car! Get in the car, Randy!
Oh, jeez. Randy, guys, turn up!
Randy! Frig off, Rick! You have enough, Ricky?
I want the fucking tape back, Leahy.
What tape's that?
You know what tape I'm talking about. Some embarrassing stuff on that I don't want people seeing.
Yeah,
I'm gonna kill you in 3 seconds unless you give me that tape back.
You don't want Lucy to see that tape, do you, Ricky?
What are you talking about? You fucking around with me?
Time to move on, Ricky. Unless you're out of Sunnyvale by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, everyone in the park's gonna see that tape, including Lucy, and that'd be kind of embarrassing, wouldn't it?
You blackmailing me? Just remember, Leahy, what comes around is all around.
Don't you mean what's all around comes around, Ricky?
This isn't fucking over yet.
That's nice talk to use on television. Hey? Don't forget you started this shitstorm, Limpy.
Saying everybody walking on the face of the earth trying to judge the J-Rock, you know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? But I ain't shook, because motherfuckers try to take me out and stuff, but they can't, right? You know what I'm saying?
You're saying, know what I'm saying, too many times. 80 or 90 times? That's too many times. Once or twice is cool, but 80 or 90 times, man?
What are you, from the department of know what I'm saying? You taking the know what I'm senses? You counting my know what I'm saying? We're hanging out, right? It's
8
all
or 9
good.
times? That's
But you
too
see
many
what
know
I'm
what I'm
saying?
saying?
Riding
You know
on
what
my
I'm saying?
jock, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to have a good time, you know what I'm saying? And you're counting my know what I'm
That's too
saying.
many times. That's
How am I
once or
supposed to
twice
be
is
myself
cool.
when you
I just don't know if I want to be in a porno movie.
What do you mean?
This ain't a porno movie. This is an adult film, motherfucker.
I think about who's gonna see this shit. What about Lucy and
Oh,
stuff?
only people in Russia are gonna see. Lucy's
People
not
in
gonna
Russia
find
gonna
out.
see
She's
it.
not
Does
gonna
Lucy
see.
go to Russia? Because North American men, they down Russian women, vice versa, and all that's kind of free trade and all that with porn, right? You know what I'm saying? So I'm directing this, and I wrote it. It's called From Russia with the Love Bone. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You watch pornos?
Why?
I'm just making conversation, man. I'm just wondering what you think of the guys that act in them.
They're greasy.
Sorry, man. Well, let's suppose for a minute that I acted in a porno movie. Would you think I was greasy? 'Cause it's a little different.
You're thinking about doing a porno flick with J-Rock, aren't you? If you're doing that, yeah, you'd be real greasy and stupid.
I need the money. That's the thing. You don't understand that. Like, I'm desperate here. It's about my family. Like, I've got to do this. I'm going to be a film star. Fuck it.
No, a porn star, not a film star, Ricky. It's a big difference.
There's not that much of a difference. It's still film.
Boys, check out Ricky picking up some butts. Hey, Ricky, find any good ones?
What? Yeah, like you guys never smoked a butt, eh? Oh, look at Ricky smoking cigarette butts. I'm sick of this shit. I'm sick of your TV show, and I'm sick of you, and I'm sick of everybody. Moving to Toronto. I'm especially sick of this dick. Get the fuck out of here, Leahy. Fuck it, man. I'm moving to Toronto. I'm gonna be a street person. I don't care.
Rick, think about it. You don't got no money, man. What are you gonna do? How are you gonna get out there?
What's
I don't know
going
yet, but I'll
on,
get out there.
Hawkins?
J-Rock?
Damn, you stink. You should put some Old Spice and some Brute up in that motherfucker.
Listen, I'm not in the mood today, all right? So unless you got $2,000 you want to lend me, get the fuck out of my face.
Leahy. Randy? What are you guys doing?
I'm not Randy.
I'm not Mr. Lee.
Guys, I know it's you guys. What's going on here?
Julian, not a fucking word about this! Hey, let's turn the TV off and get out of here. I'll call the cops.
Turn the TV off or the camera off. You're not going to be calling the cops, Leahy, alright? This is what's going to happen. I'm going to take this tape, and then I'm going to take a few of your little goodies down here on the table. In return, I'm going to give you guys my word that I'm not going to say anything about this to anyone, alright? I'm kind of surprised here, guys. I could just imagine what Ricky would say if he found out about this.
Please, Julian, don't tell anyone about this. This is our first time doing this.
I don't know what you guys think is going on here, but Randy and I are practicing for a play.
Julian, it's Ricky here. Just letting you know that I've thought about this. I feel I have no other options. I go down to Leahy's trailer. I'm going to break in. And I'm basically probably going to kill Mr. Leahy, and I'm thinking about killing Randy as well. And I'm going to take the porno tape back. I've talked to Bubbles about it. He's probably going to give me a hand because we both can't have this tape floating around. So anyway, you know, I was kind of counting on you to maybe help plan this, but if you don't want to, that's up to you. I just hope you won't feel guilty when me and Bubbles are in jail and you know that you could have prevented a murder.
Ricky's a really good guy. He's a good friend of mine. He got me part in the movie that J-Rock's making. I'm gonna make $160. First they offered me 40 and I told them to fuck right off. Gonna make 160 bucks. That'll buy a lot of fucking cat food.
Oh, guys, I've matured. You know, I'm learning a lot more. I'm feeling pretty smart, actually. And I'm not swearing nearly as much as I used to. I only get drunk on weekends now, and I'm growing dope, so the whole documentary thing for me has been really good. Tomorrow I get married, so life doesn't get much better than this for Ricky. I just wish Julian stopped acting like a dick. Let's go, open the fucking door. I'm burning the trailer down. Open up, I know you're in there. Let's go, Ricky. You're some best man you turned out to be, you dick.
Sure you don't fuck around on Trinity. Make sure you're there for her, because I know what it's like if parents fucking leave on you, you know what I mean? One day they're there and you wake up and you're all by your fucking self for the rest of your fucking life. Living in a fucking shed and wondering what the fuck happened to your parents. Checking over the carts for the night. Have to be perfect, can't be fucked up. First thing that can go on them is the wheels. That there one's no fucking good. Bearings are gone. Might as well get rid of her right now.
We're just doing a little bit of drinking. Julian's gonna have a surprise stag party for Ricky tonight. Just working a buzz up. I can't wait to get loaded with those guys tonight.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be like a huge party, and there's gonna be lots of booze and liquor, and free food, and there's gonna be strippers. That's gonna be awesome.
And Ricky's gonna get drunk and puke and end up in the drunk tank.
And later on, there's gonna be the wedding the next night too, and that's gonna have food and booze too, and that's gonna be awesome. There's gonna be like 100 people there. And hopefully they'll all be ladies, because it's all about ladies.
It's all about ladies.
Yeah, man, Candy will bring some of her friends.
She'll hook us up. Let's go get some more beer.
Yeah, cool.
Sorry, but you don't have what we're looking for.
Oh, what's so many bananas for, dude? What the fuck with the corkscrews and shit, man? Keep some drinking and everything. Get some
Why are
crazy.
you always telling me what to do?
Because you know there's bananas in the car, dude. We don't want any bananas at the wedding. No one eats bananas at the wedding.
It's us! It's us! Julian! Stop shooting, you dicks! What the fuck's going on here? Just came in here for smokes. What the hell's going on?
Sorry, dude, man. Didn't know.
You're stupid. You're stupid. You're a fucking idiot.
The fucking gun's broken.
You could have killed me over there.
Broken.
The fuck? You know, I may not have done all the right stuff in my life or done smart stuff, but guys, maybe I shouldn't be commenting here, but that was pretty fucking dumb. All right? You're robbing a fucking grocery store. You didn't even tell me. I'm fucking on videotape now, firing handguns with no mask on. You guys are fucking dumb.
Hey, would you calm down?
No, I'm not gonna calm down, Julian.
Down.
I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off at you, and especially you two dicks. You guys are really fucking stupid.
Ricky. Sorry, man, but you were shooting at us, too.
I'm drunk. Guys, you want to get this on tape? I mean, this is what life's all about. You know, it doesn't get any better than this. And, you know, after today, we're going to be a legal family. It's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be on paper and everything. And there's something I want to tell you girls, all right? I love you both with my whole heart. Who the fuck is that dick?
Wondering if you know anything about any of the stuff that's been going down around here lately.
What stuff?
I don't know, you tell me.
Why would I know anything about anything going around here?
You sure? You wouldn't be lying to me, would you, Rick?
Why would I lie to you?
Tell you what, Rick. You take that. Now, you find yourself you might remember something that you forgot to tell me, you can give me a call.
Well, I'm having a flashback right now, actually, about something I wanted to tell you. I wrote it down, I think. Yeah, there it is. Copy right there for you.
Very nice.
You know what that means? That means fuck off.
So, you all dressed up today?
Yeah. Got my tuxedo on. Hey, maybe you could fix my tie for me.
Yeah, why not?
Picture. Not even real. 150 bucks for those real fuckers.
I, Richard, promise to love and to not break the law as much as I used to. I promise to be a good father to my child and to not swear anymore or as much as I do in public places. And I promise to love you as much as I can and as often as I can under the circumstances. Jesus Christ, I'm trying to get fucking married here! Holy fuck! Oh, for fuck's sakes, I can't believe this shit! Julian, look at this shit! My wind's all fucked up! Bring her off! This is bullshit! Julian! What the fuck's going on here? If this isn't my fault, there's a lot more people here guiltier than I am, Trevor and Corey. I'm going back to jail here! For the first couple weeks that I came back to jail, I was still pissed off because, you know, they used all this documentary footage against us to convict us. And I was pissed off with the whole courtroom scene, and I shouldn't have defended myself. I know that now. And for the first 2 weeks in jail, I basically partied. I did a lot of drugs, and I was getting drunk. And now I realize that, you know, you got to try to stay away from all that stuff in here. And basically, if you're going to be in here, you may as well use the time to get smarter. I learned about relationships, how it's probably a good thing to take a break once in a while from your relationship, because then when the break's over, it's stronger, I guess. So as far as Lucy Trinity goes, that's probably good. Taking a break from dope is even a good kind of a break, because then when you smoke dope again, you get a lot more fucked up.
What Ricky's talking about is the power of positive thinking. Now, I've been doing a lot of reading in here about that, and I've learned to take a negative situation and turn it into a positive one, and I've been telling Ricky all about it. And
exactly. I mean, it's all in how you look at it. I mean, you can pretend you're in jail, or right now I'm pretending I'm in university. Glad I went to jail, and the only thing that I really miss is probably having regular, you know, dope all the time, getting drunk regularly, and I miss Lucy and Trinity. But other than that, I fucking love being in jail. What's going on, dickweeds?
What's that, dude?
Let's go, smokes.
here's the deal, boys. I'm gonna bore your car for a couple hours.
All right, Ellen, we get in your truck?
You guys are so fucking stupid, you know that?
Keys.
What are you guys gonna do with my car?
Knock, knock, boys.
I ruined family day. It's all Lucy's fault.
It's not all your fault, but
This is never gonna work.
90%.
This is never gonna work. It's ridiculous.
What's that supposed to mean? What is wrong with this relationship? Nothing, that's what. We're having a fucking picnic. I'm sorry but swearing, we'll have a picnic tomorrow. I haven't drank and drive in over 2 years, alright? And I'm sorry about that. If I go back in time, I would. It was one of those things you do when you're young, you're stupid. You know, you have a few drinks, next thing you know, you're in a vehicle smashing into things. It was an accident.
It was Ricky's first day on the job. He decides to take the dump truck for a joyride. Comes bombing down here, showing off.
You know, there's certain accidents where you may be drunken on drugs, but it's going to happen anyway, whether you are or you're not.
Then the truck starts to spin sideways and flip around.
Garbage truck, I mean, the shocks are different, a lot more weight.
Drags upside down across the ground here, sparks flying everywhere.
Next thing I know, we're crashing into stuff, things are catching on fire, and...
He rocks into Terry's Monte Carlo, and the Monte Carlo was dope too, man. It's so sad. He just completely flattens it.
Like I said, it was no big deal, and I don't know why I got fired over it, which really pissed me off.
Hey, get him off the street!
We've been trying to get him off the
Get him out of here! Go mow some lawns or something, you greasy bastard!
Hey, Leahy, you want to smoke? Because I got one right fucking
You got
here for you, buddy
one
boy.
joke in your reservoir.
You owe me a beer, and you owe me a beer, you assholes!
Come on, Randy.
Don't you have some offs to fuck there, boys?
What?
Fuck off. Come on, Rick. I just don't know how to express myself sometimes when I need to be properly different. Fuck.
Randy, get the fire extinguisher. Better call the fire department before Mr. Stupid's car explodes.
Frig off, Leahy.
You just call my
It happens all the time. It's no big deal. It's just a fucking radiator. Gay? Me?
Yeah.
I'm not gay, you idiot. I love Lucy. I know what's going on. I totally got it figured out. It's just the way that I act towards you, like the way I act when I'm around you and stuff. That's what's going on here.
No, Ricky, it's because you've been with Lucy for 8 years. You have a child together. You're not married. People think that's weird.
Man, maybe I am gay. Holy fuck. I'm gay.
You're not gay, Ricky.
I don't know. It seems like I must be, I guess.
No, Ricky, forget I even brought that up, okay?
I'm not gonna forget about it. I think we're both gay.
We're not gay. Listen, I just heard people talking about you being gay and stuff. And, you know, I know you better than anybody else. You're not gay.
You don't think?
No, we're going to go to Levi's house. You're going to ask him for some help getting a job. And then you're going to go over to Lucy's place and ask her to marry you.
Well, if I ask Lucy to marry me, do you think it's going to cancel out all the gay stuff for everybody?
Totally. People do it every day.
I hope so.
That's predestination. Now, some people might think that that's awfully cruel.
Dad?
But that's life.
What in the fuck are you
Just
talking
give me a
about?
second here. I'm just trying to explain what... I'm talking about predestination, for Christ's sake. You know, predestination, love, grace, Calvin. Come on, man, you know.
Where's my pepperoni?
Why are you fucking with me?
I want $1,500. I need $1,000 for my dope equipment, and that'll leave me $500 to buy Lucy a nice ring. So. Fucking car was starting. You know, my life's finally back together, so things are good, you know. I'm in the right direction. You little fuckers! You're lucky I'm busy right now! Anyway, my car won't fucking start, so I'm gonna see if Julian will drive me to the fucking bank.
Sorry, we're in a meeting here.
No, come on in, guys. I want to see how fucked up this is. I've been in jail. I paid my debt to society, and I still can't get a loan. That's pretty fucked.
Richard, just calm down.
I'm not calming down. I'm pissed off here.
Now, I really don't think you should have this attitude. I think it's just getting a bit too tight in here for me.
It's kind of pissing me off. Look, the thing is that between me and you,
here, please?
I'm gonna be growing a bit of dope, all right? I'm gonna have lots of fucking money.
Yeah,
I'm not asking for a house here.
You should just leave.
Fuck this shit.
No.
Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck you. You fucking asshole! I've been sexually assaulted here! That man tried to abuse me at a party!
No, that's not true!
He beats up men and women all over the place!
That's not true!
Julian! I need some help here! Still can't believe the way those fucking gorillas threw me out of that bank, man. Could have backed me up instead of trying to make a girlfriend. How am I supposed to buy a fucking wedding ring now, Julian? The thing is, when you're shopping for a ring, you gotta take your time, because, you know, it's my wife we're talking about. She's not gonna be wearing one of those cubic zirconium fucking things. She's gonna have a nice ring.
Exactly. We know this guy has a jewelry store that ripped him off a few years ago.
Yeah, he's a fucking dick. I sold him a bunch of weed, never ever paid me for it, so fuck him.
I don't feel bad for fucking him over.
No, I mean, that's what insurance companies are for anyway. It's not a big deal. He's gonna get his money back. What in the fuck? Cocksucker came at me, man. I probably got rabies. Am I bleeding? Yeah, you got a scratch. Put your gun down, Ricky. Did you find a ring? Yeah, man, I found a treasure chest. Check that out.
Well, bring it downstairs. I got a cheese sandwich for you.
You little dick. Walk in there and this thing just jumps at me. I fucking could have been killed.
What's your first name, bud?
Randy.
Randy who?
Randy Leahy.
Randy Leahy.
Yep. You look familiar. I know you from somewhere too. You know Jim, or Jim knows you, or something like that?
My father, Jim, you mean?
Oh, he's your father. Man, I didn't know that. Yeah, he mentioned he had a son in the force. That's right.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You know the old man?
Man, him and my dad go way back. Yeah.
Small world.
Yeah, sure is, for sure, yeah. So, just sorry about the truck. We bought it for my daughter for her
sorry
birthday.
about the hassle, but I mean, you know,
I
like I say, I gotta check and make sure you guys do have paperwork for this vehicle and all that.
Oh, absolutely, yeah, definitely.
Right. I guess everything's okay here. I'll take that tricycle with me. You guys
if you can take that, that'd be great.
Yeah, you guys can go on your way.
Great. You don't have any smokes, do you?
Smokes? Yeah. Actually, I got one in my visor there if you want one.
Yeah, cool. What do you think? You want to get married or something?